It's the ultimate obsession of car lovers around the world. Every single year, automakers push the boundaries of physics, design, and courage to build machines that don't just move, they fly on wheels. From billion-dollar engineering labs to secret test tracks, these hypercars represent the absolute edge of what mankind can achieve on four tires. Today, we're counting down the top 10 fastest cars in the world. From futuristic electric beasts to gasoline-fueled monsters, these cars prove one thing: the race for speed is far from over. Buckle up, this is going to be fast. Number 10. Czinger 21C. The Czinger 21C is not just a hypercar, it's a declaration of how future technology meets raw performance. Built in Los Angeles using AI-assisted 3D printed components, the 21C redefines how supercars are made. Under its carbon fiber skin lies a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with two electric motors, generating between 1,250 and 1,350 horsepower. The car weighs under 1,250 kilograms, achieving a near-perfect power-to-weight ratio. With a top speed of 253 miles per hour, it's a hybrid masterpiece, agile, efficient, and futuristic. Every component is optimized by algorithms, making it as much a product of science as it is of passion. The Czinger 21C shows that American innovation is alive and electric. Number 9. Koenigsegg Regera. Sweden's Koenigsegg has never followed the rules, and the Regera is the perfect example of that rebellion. Combining a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, this plug-in hybrid develops an astonishing 1,500 horsepower. What makes it truly unique is the Koenigsegg direct drive system, which eliminates a traditional gearbox. The result? Seamless acceleration, no lag, and power that flows continuously to the rear wheels. Though its top speed is limited to 255 miles per hour, it's capable of reaching 249 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. The Regera isn't just fast, it's elegant brutality sculpted in carbon fiber. Number 8. Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. When the Veyron Super Sport was unveiled in 2010, it changed automotive history forever. This was the first car to officially break the 260 miles per hour barrier, clocking 267.8 miles per hour, verified by both TÜV and Guinness World Records. Powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 producing 1,200 horsepower, it was a technological showcase of luxury and speed. Even after more than a decade, few cars have matched its refinement at full throttle. The Super Sport remains the foundation on which every modern hypercar was built. It's the car that made Bugatti synonymous with ultimate velocity, combining French luxury with German engineering and an unrelenting appetite for speed. Number 7. Rimac Nevera R. Nevera R, designed and built in Croatia. This 4-motor electric hypercar delivers a mind-bending 2,107 horsepower from a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack. In 2025, it set a verified top speed of 268 miles per hour, making it the fastest electric vehicle ever recorded. What makes the Nevera truly revolutionary is its torque vectoring system, allowing each wheel to be controlled individually, giving the car unbelievable precision and grip. From 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 1.66 seconds. This isn't just acceleration, it's instant teleportation. Rimac didn't just build a car, they built a glimpse into the future of performance. Number 6. Hennessey Venom GT. The Hennessey Venom GT is a brutal American creation built on simplicity and power. Using the lightweight chassis of a Lotus Exige and the heart of a Texas-sized 7.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, The Venom unleashed 1,244 horsepower to the rear wheels. In 2014, it hit 270.49 miles per hour at NASA's Kennedy Space Center runway, an unofficial record due to it being a one-way run, but still jaw-dropping. It's not the most refined or the most comfortable, but the Venom GT embodies raw, unfiltered speed. No fancy hybrid systems, no stability crutches, just pure mechanical insanity. This car didn't whisper. It roared America's answer to Europe's hypercar dominance. Number 5. Koenigsegg Agera RS. Few cars have earned the title World's Fastest as legitimately as the Koenigsegg Agera RS. In 2017, on a closed public highway in Nevada, it set a verified two-way average speed of 277.87 miles per hour, making it the official record holder at the time. Underneath lies a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 1,341 horsepower on E85 fuel. But the Agera RS isn't just about straight-line madness. It's a fully engineered work of art, with active aerodynamics, a lightweight carbon monocoque, and track-ready stability even beyond 250 miles per hour. This was the car that proved small manufacturers can outpace giants. For years, the Agera RS stood as the ultimate benchmark of verified speed. Number 4. Bugatti Mistral. The Bugatti Mistral is not only the fastest open-top car in the world, it's also a farewell to one of the greatest engines ever built. Using the same 1,578 horsepower quad-turbo W16 from the Chiron Super Sport, the Mistral hit 282 miles per hour, setting a new benchmark for convertible hypercars. Every curve, vent, and detail is aerodynamically perfected to slice through air at unbelievable speeds, all while offering the driver a front-row seat to the symphony of turbochargers and wind. This is Bugatti's grand finale for the W16 era, a breathtaking mix of speed, style, and legacy. It's not just fast, it's art that moves faster than sound itself. Number 3. SSC Tuatara. The SSC Tuatara has been both a record breaker and a lightning rod for controversy. Its early claims of over 330 miles per hour were questioned, but later verified. Testing showed a one-way top speed of 295 miles per hour and a two-way average of 282.9 miles per hour, still making it one of the fastest cars on Earth. Powered by a 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8, the Tuatara produces up to 1,750 horsepower on E85 fuel. With a drag coefficient of just 0.279 and aerospace-inspired design, it's built for one purpose: conquering air resistance. On the road, it looks less like a car and more like a missile, sharp, elegant, and ferociously fast. Number 2. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300+. When Bugatti broke the 300 miles per hour barrier in 2019, the world stopped. The Chiron Super Sport 300+ achieved 304.77 miles per hour at Germany's Era Lesson track, officially making it the first production car to ever cross that mythical line. Under its hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 delivering 1,578 horsepower, paired with aerodynamic tweaks that keep it stable at airplane-like speeds. The car is limited to just 30 units, each built for the elite few who crave history, not just horsepower. While customer cars are electronically limited for safety, the record prototype proved Bugatti's relentless pursuit of excellence. The 300+ isn't a car, it's a symphony of power, precision, and legacy. Number 1. BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme. The new king of speed doesn't roar, it hums with electricity. Meet the Yangwang U9 Xtreme, built by BYD's luxury division, and the car that just dethroned Bugatti. In 2025, it set a verified top speed of 308.4 miles per hour, 496.2 kilometers per hour, at Germany's ATP Papenburg track, becoming the fastest car in the world. Powered by 4 electric motors generating nearly 3,000 horsepower. This machine uses BYD's cutting-edge E4 platform and 1,200-volt architecture. The D-SUS X body control system keeps it perfectly balanced even at absurd speeds. What's truly historic is that an electric car from China now sits atop the global leaderboard. The U9 Xtreme isn't just fast, it's a symbol of the shifting power in the automotive world. From zero to world domination in just one run. From gasoline legends to electric trailblazers, these 10 hypercars redefine what speed means in the modern age. They're not just machines, they're proof of human ambition to go faster, further, and beyond what was once thought impossible. The 300-mile-per-hour war isn't over, it's evolving. So tell me, which of these titans would you dare to drive if limits didn't exist? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you love hypercars, performance, and futuristic engineering, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Vibes. Because here, speed never sleeps.